Welcome students in your e-learning classes. It is arranged by Bardhan Model School, and class 4, it is your GK class. And this is your first class. I am your Manushi ma'am taking your GK class. Okay. So first, let me introduce that it is your GK book, and the book name is New General Knowledge Update Class 4. So you can see it is your GK book, and today is the first class. So all of you please open your book, and first the chapter number 1, Wonders of Nature. Okay, and the page number is 5. I'm writing on the board, that is lesson number or the chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, Wonders of Nature. So first, I'm just read it. This page number 5. Plants and animals make the world wonderful. Yes, it is true. Plants and as well as the animals make the world is wonderful. Both the different, that is, animal can move from one place to another, and we are also moving one place to another. We can do it. Animals move in search for food, water and shelter. Obviously, we are also moving one place to another for food, water and shelter. A tree or a plant does not move. All of you also know it, that plant doesn't move one place to another. It remains fixed at a place. Animals cannot make their own food. Yes, it is true. Animals cannot make their own food. Plants can make their own food. Yes, also plant can make their make their own food, and animals, and also we are depends on the tree. Okay, it is the topic, but today we will do the next one, recognize and the name following the wonders of the nature. You may use this help box, but first we are read it. Number 1. I am an insectivorous plant. I do not make my own food. I trap insect and eat them. So first you can see the picture. You can see the picture beside of the question, left side. You can see this plant, and this plant, you can see the leaf is like this. Like this. And this plant is open there, these leaves are open like this. That time insects are coming on it, and at that time these leaves are just close this portion, and the plant is digested, this plant. And you can see it is called insectivorous plant. It is called insectivorous plant, and I trap it because this plant, these insects are trapped on it, and that time these leaves are just closed like this. It is open like this, and after this insect is in here, and just close these leaves, this portion. Okay. So it is called, which name it is? It is Venus flytrap. Its name is Venus flytrap. So number 1 answer is Venus fly trap. Venus fly trap. Okay, next, number 2. I am a plant that can move from one place to another. But just we have read it that plant doesn't move one place to another, but this plant is moving from one place to another. So which plant it is? It is a green algae. Okay, it is a green algae. It is not a plant, this is a green algae. Its name is Chlamydomonas. Its name is Chlamydomonas. It is a green algae. Okay, the green algae. So it can move one place to another. So I'm writing on the board. Number 2 is Chlamydomonas. 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 All of you just read these spellings also. Next, number 3. I am a small animal. I stay at one place forever and form a magnificent reef. Okay, so it's what it is. It's a small animal, and its live one place. It is in deep sea. Okay, we can see এগুলো অনেক সমুদ্রের একদম ডিপ, অনেক গভীরে থাকে, and it's used for a jewelry. Okay, its name is red coral. Okay, red coral, বা এটাকে আমরা বলি প্রবাল. In Bengali we are saying probal. So it is red coral, lal probal. Okay, and these are used for jewelry. Okay, so it is called red coral. So number 3 is red coral. CORAL. And the last one, number 4. I am a plant. I capture those insects that come near me and eat them. Okay, so all of you can see it is just this. It is a picture plant. So it is also capturing the insect and it digests. But Venus flytrap and also this picture plant, both are carnivorous and both are insectivorous plant. But the difference is, this is a picture plant, you can see, and this structure is like that. This picture type of structure, and it's just a tube like this. Some insects are coming in this, and that insect is going on this trap, and then after these the insects are digested by this plant. So it is also carnivorous, it is also insectivorous plant. Its name is picture plant. Okay, so its name is picture plant. So last one, number 4 is PITCHER, picture plant. It is also a carnivorous and insectivorous plant. So we have learnt chapter number 1 or the lesson number 1. Number 1 is a insectivorous plant. This name is Venus flytrap. And number 2, Chlamydomonas. Number 3, red coral. And the number 4 is picture plant. So today's class for this much. You are practicing at your home. Next day we will meet again in our another classes. Okay, till then, tata.